friends, this is the Toumai series that we have been doing in Minds of Aspirants. This is an anthro or MOA Anthro. Okay, that is the name of the channel, MOA Anthro. It is specifically for anthropology and anthropology related topics. I have been posting videos of how to write an answer and many other things in anthropology or MOA Anthro. You can check it. In this, I would like to discuss this large hidden maps of Indians flag hidden disease risk. This is an article from this is an article that came in that came. This is an article that came in the Hindu newspaper. What is this article and what it is talking about is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So let us go into the video. I'll go one by one. What this article talks about is that human beings started that you might actually know. If you have not understood, you can check the previous video, the Thong child. So Thong child, the significance itself says that the evolution began in Africa. So you should understand that once this evolution begins in Africa, people had started to migrate out of Africa. So they came to India as well. This is called as the out of Africa theory. This is the theory which proposes that the human beings have come from Africa and settled in different parts of the country, especially the first wave in India. Okay, first wave in India around 60,000 to 50,000 years ago, people came from out of Africa theory, out of Africa, and this is what they, see, look at it. This is the article which says. Now it says that it is not the only wave which came, and there were other waves which had come from, come from outside. So the second wave that they say, the second wave that they say is from Iran. That is around 10,000 BC. Around 10,000 BC, this area is actually, you can again draw this and you can check it. This area is where today's Iran and Iraq is there. Mesopotamia. This is the area which actually starts Neolithic revolution, or you will see that the Natufian culture. So it is anthropology. You can check Neolithic period Natufian culture in Ember and Ember for your understanding, in order for you to understand what is the meaning of it. This Natufian culture comes up in the area, and from here, what happens is that people start to come and mix with the Indus Valley civilization people. So you have the second wave of population. The second wave of population have an ancestry of Iran. Okay, and they are actually now settled in South India. So ancient South Indian gene, you are seeing this ancestral South Indian. This is the point. So second point, see this Iranian related Neolithic farmers are the second point. They have come in the second wave and they have settled in they have settled in this the ancestral South Indian. Actually, the third wave, third wave comes. This third wave is called as the ancestral North Indian wave. What this means is that there was at the time of 4000 BC or 5000, around 4000 BC, there was a drought which actually resulted in a huge migration. Because of this drought,
Lincoln program. Lincoln is a prelims cum mains complete batch That also we have planned. So both the brochures I'll be putting in Minds of Aspirant group. The details of Lincoln batch I have made in other videos also. You can check those videos. Any other doubts regarding Lincoln, you can call the number. We will be very happy to clarify on that. Thank you for watching. All the best.
Is why you had population from Central Asia coming inside India. This population is actually settled and it has a deep Central Asia based gene. What scientists or anthropologists is saying is that this is ancestral North India, this is ancestral South India. So you had different kinds of population mixing. So you can see that the fourth millennium BC, you look at it from Sarasam in present day Tajikistan and European steppes around 2000 BC they come. And the article goes on to say that till Guptan period there was migration of population. This is what this article says. But this article also talks. So what is the article also goes about is that it does not. So we know that these migrations which happened resulted in our mixing, right? But they you should also know Neanderthals. So Neanderthals are human ancestors who were there. They were around 7 lakh years. Okay, 7 lakh years they started and they were there till this 50,000, 40,000 years ago. They were till there. But in this position, maybe I will make a separate video on how they went and things like that. But in this period, they had this intermixing with the human population. So you have what is called as 1 to 2%, or even some say that 1 to 4% of the genetic material is actually derived from Neanderthals. And they have a specific, so that the article says that they have a specific propensity to COVID infections. So anybody who had derived these genes, you can check this here. They have said that it is in chromosome 3. You can check it. It is in chromosome 3 that they say. Look at this, chromosome 3. And you can also look at the other thing, Neanderthal enriched. Okay, Neanderthal enriched COVID linked gene is there in chromosome 3. Now it is prevalent in east and northeastern India. And like this, you had what is called as the gene from the Denisovans as well. That is what the article says. So basically, what the article talks about is that the genetic study that we are actually doing will enable us to see the composition of the population, and will also make us better understand that how does gene and genetics is responsible for diseases and things. So it also gives rise to the pattern of migration that we can observe. So India is not an country where it was once the migration happened. It was many times. So first wave, second wave, third wave, and you have the Neanderthal genes as well. So the mixing has resulted in the unique composition of ethnicity in India. The unique composition of ethnicity is what is called as unity in diversity that we have adopted in our constitution. This is the basis of this article. I will make more articles as it comes in the paper. You also please check in this paper. You will have a lot of information which comes the how they have. So you think about it. Many of the diseases that they have spoken about, they say that it is linked to all these genetic studies which can be deciphered. Thank you for watching. If anybody from anthropology is your friend, you can send this video, like this video, share this video, and anybody who's preparing for anthropology or wants to prepare for anthropology or interested in preparing anthropology or even interested in anthropology, to send them these videos. I'll make more such videos. You can check them. It is under this MOA Anthro that I do all these things.
In Minds of Aspirant, we are also going to start this Gene 2026 Anthropology Foundational course for any of you who wish to study anthropology as a subject, as an optional paper for UPSC. And if you have any doubts as regarding how to write an answer, everything will be covered in that anthropology batch. Any of the mains candidates who wish to write mains also can approach us for Gene 2026 batch. I will include them in a specific way so that they will be able to write this examination which is coming in the mains. So thank you for watching. All the best.